Hello everyone, welcome to our channel More Than Japanese. Today I will talk about katakana. Katakana is a really important piece to understand Japanese. Let's get started. So today's topic is what is katakana? Next, you should learn katakana. I will show you some big katakana chart. You can see a lot of katakana in that part, and how to read and how to write the katakana. And then we will do practice together. And finally, I give you tips for studying katakana. So first, what is katakana? Katakana is one of the three main Japanese writing system. Other things is hiragana and kanji. Already made it hiragana video. If you want to learn hiragana, please check it. And represent syllable like hiragana, but used to different purpose, and primarily used to write foreign word, loan word, and foreign names. And katakana character are generally more angular compared to hiragana, which is more rounded. So why you should learn katakana? Katakana understanding katakana is crucial for reading foreign name products and place in Japanese. Important for travelers and anyone who wants to understand sign, names, and advertisement in Japan. Help with pronunciation of loan words and understanding more modern Japanese. Many words in more modern Japanese, especially technology, food, and pop culture, are writing in katakana. So this is katakana chart. You can see a lot of katakana. The first one, this 5 letter is a vowel and other things is a consonant. First, I will talk about this line, this A line. So first one is a. Next one, just combined K and A. You can say ka. Next one, S and A. You can say sa. Next one, ta, na, ha, ma, ya, la, wa, a, ka, sa, ta, na, ha, ma, ya, la, wa. That one is an expression. And then this one, G and A combined it, ga. Next one, za, da, ba, pa. So next line, E, K and I combined ki. You can say ki. Next one, C, chi, ni, hi, mi, ri. Gi, ji, bi, pi. This pronunciation almost the same, but letter is different. So next line is u. Next one, K and U combined ku. Su, tsu, nu, fu, mu, yu, ru. G and U combined gu, zu, su, bu, pu. Next line, e, ke, se, te, ne, he, me, le, ge, ze, de, be, pe. Last line, o, ko, so, to, no, ho, mo, yo, ro, bo, go, zo, do, bo, po. So this also katakana chart, but if you combine the normal katakana and the small katakana, pronunciation is gonna be different. And K, Y, and A, if you combine the ka. Next one, S and S, H, and A, if you combine the sha. Next one, cha, nya, hya, mya, lia, gya, ja, bya, pya. Next line, shu, chu, nyu, hyu, myu, ryu, gyu, ju, byu, pyu. Last line, kyo, sho, cho, nyo, hyo, myo, ryo, gyo, jo, byo, pyo. So next, how to read katakana. Katakana is read the same way as hiragana. Each character is represented a syllable. For example, I already explained how to pronounce, but let's explain again. So this is a, pronounce is a. This is e, pronounce is e. Next one, u. Next one, e. Next one, o. Not a, i, u, e, o. Pronounce is a, i, u, e, o. Okay. And the katakana is pronunciation is very straightforward, just like a hiragana, but used for foreign term. So next one, how to write katakana. Katakana has a distinct stroke order that you need to follow, and start writing from top to bottom and left to right, same as hiragana. Example, let's say write step 1. Start with a horizontal stroke. Step 1, this line. And step 2, add a diagonal stroke. Step 2, and step 3, finish with a vertical stroke. Step 3. Okay. Next one, E. Step 1, this one. Step 2. Next one, U. Step 1. And step 2. Step 3. Also, you can write step 3, step 4. Next one, E. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Next one, step 1, step 2, step 3. So let's practice together. So real world words that are commonly written in katakana. For example, English speakers say computer, but Japanese say computer. You can write a computer in katakana like this: computer. Next one, camera, but we say camera. Camera. Next one, television. Japanese say terebi. Banana. Japanese say banana. Banana is just a bit different. Pronunciation almost the same, but different intonation. So next one, practice with katakana sentence. For example, let's say I use a computer. Japanese say 私はコンピューターを使います。 私はコンピューターを使います。This computer is katakana. Next one. I watch TV. I watch TV. Japanese say テレビを見ます。テレビを見ます。テレビ is katakana. So, tips for studying katakana. Do practice writing katakana regularly to memorize the characters. Use flashcards or apps like Anki. It's famous one, I think. To quiz yourself. Focus on foreign word and how they sound in katakana. The sound is completely different, like a computer and a computer is completely different. You should use to that. Group character into rows and learn and read each day. Anyway, you should practice every single day. Make connection between katakana and similar hiragana characters. For example, ka. This is hiragana ka. This is katakana ka. If you just removed this line, it looks similar to katakana ka. If you find that like that character I think it's more easy to run up, easy to get it. Thank you for watching our katakana video. If you like this kind of videos, please leave like and subscribe. ありがとうございます。